Welcome everybody to Top Mug. I'm your host, Jason Catalano, and on this channel, it's our mission to make your menu in minutes with mugs for muscle. And on this recipe, we're going to be utilizing Betty Crocker's Mug Treats Cinnamon Roll. This particular cinnamon roll you can find at local Safeway, you can find it at your local grocery store online. It's about $4 for 4 packs, so you're going to get about $1 per serving. And this is a great cinnamon roll, easy to make, not that many ingredients, and it tastes just like grandma's recipe. And so what we are doing on this recipe is we're actually utilizing this, walnuts. So what walnuts are going to give you is a little bit extra flavor in terms of a pure nut, okay, very neutral type nut flavor, but the texture, you're going to get a little bit of that extra nut texture throughout the cinnamon roll to kind of break up the monotony of it and the monotony of the sweetness, as well as it's also going to give you a little bit extra protein, about 5 grams extra protein per serving, a little bit better natural omega-3s, omega-6 fats. So this is very, very good in terms of a lot of your joint health and everything like that. So with that, I want you guys to go ahead and enjoy this mug meal of cinnamon roll by Betty Crocker. With that, with that, giddy up.
I never was good at sharing. I'm just good at caring too much.